Bumasa. Bumasa. Tayo'y bumasa at magsulat.
Grapes. Grapes are my favorite snack. Some grapes are green, some are purple. I like the purple grapes I grow in our backyard. In other countries, they make wine out of grapes. Palakas